Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Grange Headteacher CCCU Assembly. And it is 10 days to go to the Christmas holidays. We know what we're about at Grange. We have a G for a great caring attitude, an R for really trying our best, an A for always learning, even from our mistakes and especially from our mistakes, a G for going for improvement and progress, our own personal best, and an E for education, using it to help us to make good choices as we go along in life. And you thought I'd forgotten the N, but I hadn't. The N is for never giving up, because we are CC learners, and we know that at Grange style, character strength, which is a true strength, is confidence and consideration. Confidence for myself, consideration for those around me and for the world. Here, some Grange people of power. I'm going to say Nia for being brave and doing thumbs up always, and Abigail L for being such a good friend, the Ennis community for looking out for each other, and even when someone makes a mistake, there's no shaming, just support. Well done, Ennis community. All the children giving great Grange CC salutes, star sitting and CC walking. Team Clee, I want to say your Grange adults, Miss Naidu, Miss Jacob, powerful use of assessment planning and teaching. I spent hours on the weekend looking at who is using our secret ingredient compass for real power for the children to learn their best. And Team Clee and Team Matisse, Miss Fernandez and Miss Huth, you are amazing. Thank you so much. Brilliant. Right, our character strength. Sorry, that was supposed to say my identity. And I'm sorry, I haven't done the assembly properly. Sorry, everybody. Okay, you're going to have to not look at the screen. You're just going to have to listen to my voice. What I want you to do is, last week I said, what would you like to hear about in the assembly? And a lot of you said, I just want to hear more about the CC way. So the superpower we're talking about is my identity, who I am, who am I? And the feedback I want you to do, so you're not looking at the screen, you're just listening to me, is let me tell you about the CC way. So the CC way is, it started a long time ago. I read a book called The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari by Robin Sharma. And that was a book which told you that whatever you do in life, think about it and really concentrate as to why are you doing this work? What is special about it? What is important about it? And have a vision for your work. Have a vision. Why is this important? And what are you trying to achieve? That was then. Then in 2019, in June, we had a visit from the Ofsted. And the Ofsted inspector, I remember him talking to Mr. Rashid and myself, and he said, what is special about teaching and learning at your school? What's special about your school? And I remember Mr. Rashid started to answer, and he said, no, 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 no. I don't just want an answer about what is special about school, about learning, about teaching. What is special about your school, Grange? And all of that really made me think. And then somewhere along the line, I like alliteration when the first letters all sound up. So Mr. Kerbel's classy class, and then I realized, hang on, what is really special about our school? What do we really, really want for our school? And I realized what we want is, we want every child to be literate. That means they can read and write. And we want every child to be numerate. That means they can read and write with numbers. And we want every child to be confident, to believe in themselves and stand up for themselves and live their best life. And we want every child to be considerate, to care about others, to care about the world, and to want to make a contribution, and to want to be kind and do good things for others, as well as for themselves, which is back to confidence. So that became the CC way. Now, here's what I'm going to say is, so I know what is special about our school. I've been head teacher in 3 schools before this school, and then I taught in 3 schools before being in this school. And to me, what is special about the school is we have our CC way. We're very clear. We know what we want to achieve. And that's not just for the children, for the adults as well. For everybody, we know what we want to do, and we know our CC way. We know that we are going to work to being literate, work towards being numerate, and we are going to fill ourselves with confidence and consideration for our whole lives ahead. Now, this is where I want you to pause the video and have a bit of feedback, and I'm really looking forward to hearing your feedback. I've said to you what is special about our school, what makes our school unique, the superpower of identity. It is the CC way. What makes our school special for you, and what gives our school the identity that is different to every other school, that's special for our have a discussion, pause the video, let me see on your post-it notes. I said this easy way is that what makes our school unique and special, what makes our school special for you. Right, okay, you're back. I'm looking forward to hearing what is unique about our school, what is our special identity of our school, who are our gold stars. Sarah D, Jay, Fahad, Nia, Martina, Amy, Suleiman, Jenna, well done everybody. Avi, David, I'm so proud of you, gold stars. And the class champions are Zion, Karitika, Aram, Mustaqim, Kaylin, Malika, George, Riley, Gloria, wow, fantastic. And Sammy in Beckham, Martina, Sarah D. J in Beckham, Hasti in Beckham, Samina in Ennis, Nahara in Ennis, Ibrahim in Ennis, fantastic Khalif in Ennis, Atif in Holmes, Tamid in Holmes, and Deanna in Holmes. That is wonderful. Shahad in Holmes, fantastic. Sorry, Shahad. There we go, all of you class champions. Class House of Water, Grange House of Fire, top attaining house. Look at you, over 5,500 points. Grange House of Air, Grange House of Earth. All of us together, our community, a brilliant 21,214 points this last week. Classy class. Anna's class, 1,472, just ahead of Anna's class's Holmes class with only 4 more points. But my T's class, look at your power last week's easy. Classy class. So we set ourselves a crazy ambitious target of 250,000, 250,000 points. Well, look at us now. We're almost there. We're 240,000, I think. So, are we going to make 250,000 points before the end of the term? 2 weeks to go? Yes, we are. We are powerful. We are kind. We are loved. We are Grange, and I'm looking forward to your feedback to tell me what's unique about Grange, what's special about Grange, which only Grange has to you, what makes our school so special, our identity. And, well, I said we made it. We are going to make it, and I feel that confident that I wrote we made it. And there we go. Classy class. We're going to have the reindeer this week. That's so exciting. And we've had Kira, Lola, and Luna join us. So who's going to be classy's class? What is coming? Let's do a CC salute. Hand on my heart. Confidence for myself. Each of us for ourselves. Look at our beautiful planet. Consideration for our beautiful world and everybody in it. Let's be great. Let's be Grange. Let's live our lives with confidence and consideration. Enjoy the learning ahead and be safe and happy. Let's learn together, respect each other, and achieve our potential. Let's be great. Let's be Grange.